Hi guys, this is Steve here, and today I'm going to be making a video for you guys to be able to go claim money that's yours, and it's money that's been sitting uh, held by the state of California, and it's money that's owed to you, and it's really nice because all you do is do a simple search, and my wife did it about 4 months ago. She's the one that showed me this website, and today we received our check from the state of California for $162. So that's really nice because we can use that to go out for a nice dinner or if you need just extra cash for groceries or whatever you want to use it for. So super nice, and you never know what amounts out there. They can owe you, $500. You never know, or as low as like $5. But it's nice because it's money that's owed to you, and you should get it. So. Well, the first thing we got to do here is you go to your tab, you go to their website, and their website is ucpi.sco.ca.gov. Okay? And if you like, you could actually type in Google search, you could type in the State of California Unclaimed Property Fund. So that's what the actual site's called. So that's the State of California Unpaid Property Fund. So once you search it, it'll come up, or you can go on their website, which I typed in at the top. You press enter, and it takes you to the search. So we already searched our name, so I'm going to search my mom's name and see if she has any unclaimed property that we can get her. So I'm going to delete the information here so I can show you guys how to do it. So when you go on the website, it'll say at the top, the unclaimed property search, and it'll let you know where they're searching, what systems they're looking through to find the money they owe you. So all you have to do is you go to the search box. There will be 4 sections: last name, first name, middle initial, and city. So we'll start with last name, my mom's last name, then her first name, then we'll go middle initial, then we'll go the city, and then you just click search. Once you click search, you'll go to a page that says the results. You'll scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you'll have your results at the bottom. It shows here she only has 1 result, which is fine. My wife, when she did it, had 5 results. You just never know. These results usually come from, let's say you overpaid Edison one day, or your gas bill or your cable bill, and they're closed because you moved to a different site. Then, they were supposed to give you the money, but they never returned it to you. So that money's still there. So we can search this and you find it through here. So you can also find bank accounts. Sometimes you had a bank account at Wells Fargo and you closed it and you didn't realize that you had money in it, and they should have sent it to you, but they never did. And this is a good way to reclaim that money. So it's really nice. So once you do the search, you find your name, you go to the ID number. You can click on it. It'll bring you to another link. Once that link opens up, you'll have it here. It'll show, see, there's my dad's name and my mom's name, and it'll show their address, and it'll show they got a cash report of $10, and this was from Bank of America. Great. So now you just scroll down, you click claim this property. It'll take you to another page. Scroll down, claim this property, and then it'll take you to this form. So this form is going to have your ID number, the property description on the top, and you just start to fill out the form. You go step by step. It'll ask you for your social security, your address, your email, your phone number, and you'll press continue. Once you hit continue, it'll confirm that you submitted your request. Once it submits it, you'll get an email showing that the claim was submitted, and they usually takes about 3 to 6 months, you'll get a check just like this for your unclaimed money. and it's a nice little surprise. You know, we forgot about it, and then today it came in, and it really hit me, so I decided to make you guys a video so you guys can try to claim your money. So good luck with it, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope this video helps, and see you guys soon.